The DJI Action 5 Pro has been fully leaked. We have all the new details about it. The final box, the accessories, its possible price and release date, and we will take a closer look at DJI's new camera. Let's get into it. So let's take a closer look at the camera. The overall appearance remains the same. It might feature a darker color, but it's not clear by the images we have. The only change I can notice are the microphones, which are a lot bigger than before, so we can expect some upgrades to the audio recording. Moving on to the camera specs, it will unfortunately still feature a 1 by 1.3 inches sensor with a 155-degree field of view and f2.8 aperture. But according to the leaked box, the sensor should be upgraded as it says all new sensor. While for sure it's not all new, there could still be some upgrades. In fact, the box's back says the camera will feature subject centering in the videos. It could probably be just a software feature, but that's nice to see. Moving on to the other specs on the box, we can notice dual HDR OLED touchscreens. I tried to search online if the screens were already OLED, but I couldn't find anything. If you know, tell me in the comments. The battery will last 4 hours of recording, and the camera will be directly compatible with the DJI mic. Finally, the box also mentions the 360-degree horizon lock. That's about it for the specs. Moving on to the box contents, there's a new Extreme battery. It will maybe be like GoPro's Enduro battery, ensuring better performance in low or high temperature environments. And there's also a new magnetic clip mount called Mini Mount. I wonder what it is since nobody leaked it. Let's now talk about its price. I think it will cost around the same as the Action 4, since there are no major upgrades, but these are just guesses, so we'll see. About the release date, we know it will be the next product in the works coming after the Dji Neo, so the release date shouldn't be that far as we already have almost every detail. My take is that it will be released in late September, but I will share more details when they get leaked. So subscribe to be updated and drop a like if the video was helpful.